Good morning. We're here at the Shore Dallas branch today, and we're about to get our open house underway. So Chad Aarons is going to give you a preview of everything you'll see when you come down today to see the open house. Chad?
Hey guys, thanks for taking a couple minutes to check this video out. If you haven't pre-registered, the event's from 9 to 3 today. Don't worry if you haven't registered. You can come in, see Natalie here at the door. She'll get you signed up, get you a name tag. Tell you what, come on through. Let's check this out. First thing you're going to see as you come in, we'll welcome you around the corner here. We've got some refreshments for you if you haven't had anything to eat this morning or drink. And coming in, we've got the Shore Express area. We've got kind of a focus on our Shore Express tapes, stretch films, bubble mailers. Come on, let's keep going. As we kind of round the corner, we've got some digital printing technology. We want you guys to be able to see some of the samples, touch, feel some things on the digital printing side. As you come through into our demo room here, first thing you're kind of come into is the bagging side of things. Come here, let's show you something unique here. This particular bagger here, this is an SX Go. This is one of one in the United States right now. The only one out here. We've got it here on our floor today for you to come touch, feel, and run some samples. Got some other baggers as well. Let's take a look at some other equipment. Something very unique that not everyone's going to have. In fact, no one else is going to have. A random water-activated tape case sealer from Intertape. This is something that you need to come see if you haven't seen it. Really only exclusive at PACK Expos for the most part. We've got it here on our floor today. As you kind of look down the showroom here, we've got several different pieces of automation. Our focus at Shore is solutions. So here today, you're going to see solutions in all types of packaging. We've got anything from void fill, traditional paper, air pillows, inflatables. Come on down, let's take it in. We've got ID Technologies, print and apply labeling solutions, Wexar Bell with the 5252 here. Come on down, guys. We've got 3M case sealing equipment, L clippers. Some individuals from 3M as well. Come on out. As we come out into the warehouse, you're going to see you have some shrink packaging solutions with Eastie, running some Clysar film. Come on down. You've got Squid Ink technology. We're printing directly onto the cartons themselves. We've got Pearson down here. You want to talk about some automation, robotic palletizing, things like that. Come on in and see Jason and our team. Kind of around the corner here, you've got Intertape, some strapping solutions. Turn around. We'll take you on a walk here. We've got a lot of Denko pack station equipment. We want to talk about pack efficiencies, things like that. We've got a lot of different options. Conveyor, over conveyor, just all different types of carts. Right behind you as well, we've got sealed air. We've got some unique things that first to market here on the self-sealing padding, padded mailers. Some new technology, no peel and stick. We're actually going to run it through some machines. Come on down, get your sample today. We'll show you how this works. One more stop out here to the Lantec truck. Come on out. Our team from Lantec.
Hey guys.
Morning. On this truck, you're going to see stretch wrapper. You're going to see case sealing equipment. If you can't come out today for some reason, you better have a good excuse. But then if not, we'll bring this to you tomorrow if needed. Again, today from 9 to 3. Hopefully we'll see you guys here. Thank you.